Alright, it's time for another one of those videos. It's pouring down rain, 2-mile-an-hour winds, everything's fucking soaked. The tent's fucking soaked. It's done caved in. This brown part used to be the tallest part. It's now the lowest part. The tent used to be about 5.5 feet tall. It's now about 3 foot tall. Ugh. Ugh. This is what's left of it. It's about 12:30 at night. Getting out to sleep in the truck now. Trying to keep whatever else is left in here dry. Gonna have to go to the laundromat tomorrow. The tent melted because it caved in on the fucking heater. Yeah. We're gonna have to do an upgrade. But we've had a lot of good times in this tent. Time to upgrade. In the meantime, let's get the rest of our shit out of here and sleep in the truck until morning so we can go get a deer. I'll catch y'all in the tree. Peace.